Everyone, so I got a request for a skin fade modern mullet, which is I'm only doing this one side here, but I'm trying to get as close to a skin fade as I possibly can on a mannequin. So I'm going in with just a straight up trimmer. This is an Andes trimmer. This is what I use professionally. You can get this in my Amazon affiliate link down below with all the tools I use from Amazon, like my clippers and stuff like that, clipper guards. Highly suggest investing in those. So I started with a trimmer. Now I'm just going with a closed blade, no guard, and I'm just working my way up. I like to work up. Some people like to fade from the top down. I've always been start from the bottom and work my way up, and I'm just utilizing the clipper with the guard for the close. Now I'm going to work with the guard open a little bit more, and this way it's basically helping create a nicer blend going from shorter to longer, but I'm always keeping the wrist moving. Now, I'm not a barber, okay? I'm a hairstylist. I'm not a barber. Barbers are highly skilled when it comes to fading. I feel like I do a pretty decent job at fading because I learned how to do barbering very early on in my career. And that's what I started doing was clipper work, right? And I was trained by a couple of barbers like early on. So I've always been really pretty good with clippers. It's kind of like when I say go to a barber or go to a hairstylist if you want like a longer hairstyle. If you want a really good fade, obviously go to a barber. Unless you do find a hairstylist who is really good with clippers and fading and blending and all that, because it's an art form, right? But you can see, this is going to help you even if you are a professional. And I know a lot of professional hairstylists are petrified of using clippers, going this short. A number one freaks them out. So practice, right? That's how I got more skilled at it, was from practicing. So I'm utilizing a number of guards. I use the half guard, the 1.5 guard, and that's the highest I went, which is what I'm using right now, is the 1.5 guard. And I'm just working my clippers up to the previous length that I had before. And you can see, not a bad job. Mannequin heads are extremely difficult. Don't mind my head there. Extremely difficult to cut and fade. They're extremely difficult. So now I'm just going back in with the number one. And I am, sometimes you can move the lever around to make it even more perfect. And, that's what I'm doing here is I'm really just trying to perfect everything, putting the icing on the cake. And I think this came out pretty darn good for doing this on a mannequin head, right? Mannequin head. There it is. The one side I did of a skin fade. This is the modern mullet. And I did a full tutorial of this haircut on my channel already. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you soon.